This is D1 residence, a studio fully furnished with the one washroom, standing shower. You can see this is high-end property. Check out the furnishing. These are the wardrobes at the entrance. It's fully furnished basically. So you will have the washing machine space, a small storage. Washing machine is here. A small sitting area. The couch and beautiful designers sofa and the shelf. You can see, and check out the kitchen. It's a total American top kitchen. The central gas, microwave, kettle, roaster, dishwasher. I believe there would be. See, I was right. There is a dishwasher, fridge over here, and check out the view. The view is most important when you are living and you are paying the high rent, and you will see it's a full creek view. You will love the view. See how beautiful. Well, we have opened the window. Let's close it so you will not have any noise. You will not have any noise pollution. Check it out.